Welcome to Norakle. Today we'll be talking about the financial statements. Under the financial statements we have the income statement, we have the balance sheet, and we have the trial balance. We click on the income statements. You have if your business have like branches, you click on branch just to input the branch you want to see their income statements. You input the date and you click on search. Thank you. You click on balance sheets, input the branch, you input the date, and you would also search the trial balance. The same thing goes to the trial balance. You input the branch, input the date, then you click on search. Thank you.